In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your PandaDoc subscription. Whether you're moving on or simply taking a break, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process with ease. Let's get started. First, log into your PandaDoc account. Once you're inside your dashboard, head over to the left sidebar. This is where all your settings and management options are located. Next, click on Settings. Once the Settings panel opens, navigate to the Billing tab. This is where you manage your subscription plan, payment details, and most importantly, cancellation options. On the right-hand side of the billing page, you will see a button labeled Cancel Subscription. Click it when you're ready to proceed. From here, you'll be guided through a few on-screen prompts. PandaDoc may ask for a reason for your cancellation. Just answer honestly, as your feedback helps them improve the platform. Once you've completed the steps, PandaDoc will send you a confirmation email. This is your proof that your subscription has been cancelled, so be sure to check your inbox and your spam folder just in case. And that's it. Your PandaDoc subscription is now cancelled. The process is simple, straightforward, and entirely within your control. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more helpful tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.